Hi Libra! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. If this reading is not for you, huwag pilitin. Okay? Do not force it to make it fit. Just leave it for a friend. Pwede nyo rin tingnan or panoorin ang inyong moon and rising placements. Okay? Kasi minsan, mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kaysa inyong sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Libra. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the messages for you. It's time for you to move to a new direction. Okay? May mga kailangan kang reviewin. Maybe sa trabaho mo, sa status mo in life, sa status mo sa career. Okay? May mga kailangan kang baguhin para sa sarili mo to move forward. There are a lot of things na bumabagabag sa inyo, okay? Financial obligations, may mga gusto kang gawin. Some of you, your family members are needing your time and attention, okay? Marami kang mga tanong sa buhay or sa sarili about sa mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa inyo, Libra. May mga revelations, okay, na lalabas or malalaman mo. Okay? May mga new thoughts, new ideas kang maiisip about life, realities in life. Okay? It seems that you need more resources. You need to save up money. Okay? Some of you do not want to spend more money on some things that are unnecessary. Okay? May mga pinag-iisipan ka na pagbabago or na direksyon sa buhay mo, and you just needed answers about it. You want enlightenment, wisdom, maybe meditations, okay? Okay. Libra, may mga kailangan kang baguhin sa sarili mo. Okay? Now you want to save up money. There are ways or things that you want to do now na kailangan mong baguhin about yourself, about your money spending. Yeah, there are some delays, okay? News of delays, delays in money, delays in promotion. Merong regret or loss for some of you. Merong unemployment na nangyari, nawala ng trabaho. Okay? Merong taong hindi nyo nabigyan ng pansin, kailangan ng atensyon mo, okay? or this is you, okay? You are feeling left out in the cold. Meron kang regrets, okay? Mga pinagsisihan na desisyon sa buhay. Yeah. You just want to be happy, okay? Gusto mo na mamili kung ano man yung mga material needs mo, emotional needs about yourself, and your family. Gusto mo yon, okay? You want happy family. Okay? Siguro meron kang pinagsisihan sa mga decision mo before. And you lose this chance to have a happy family, okay? Or good opportunities, you lost it. Okay? But you just want to move forward. Okay? Ayaw mo nang isipin yun. Okay? Be confident. Do not underestimate yourself, Libra. You can do it. Okay? You are full of ideas. You have a lot of things or activities to do. You are strong, intelligent, smart. Okay, you have the skills and the abilities within you that you can further develop. You know na malalagpasan mo yung mga pagsubok na yon. Okay? For some of you, you are traveling, you are moving house, merong relocation, change of job. Some of you want to be independent, want to have your own business. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, you are thinking a lot of things. May mga decision kang kailangan gawin. Okay? Parang hindi mo alam kung ano yung gusto mo. Merong silent treatment. Ayaw mo makipag-usap. You are not interested on anything or anyone. You are focusing on something else. Okay? Some of you are very busy about work. Okay? Whatever you have, like money, you are managing it well. Parang pinagkakasya mo lang din. Okay? Yeah, may mga negative thoughts, okay, na bumapagapag sa inyo. Feeling mo you cannot do it. Parang wala kang magawa, okay? May gusto kang gawin, pero, or mayroon kang mga desisyon na gagawin, or mayroon kang gustong unahin, pero hindi mo magawa. You feel you are not capable of it. Nag-iisip ka na ng negative sa mga bagay-bagay, okay? Parang wala kang nakikitang maganda. you have to overcome it because you are overthinking, you are maybe overanalyzing things, Libra, about the situation. Okay? Yeah. You need a break to think. You need fresh air. Maybe kailangan mong lumabas para ikalma yung isip mo. Punta ng mall, okay? Buy some things for yourself. Okay? Meron kang pagdidesisyonan about money, you're thinking about a promotion, or maybe merong mga bagong kang contracts or documents. Okay? Mga kontrata, bagong new projects, okay? You are thinking about bagong pagkakakitaan, business, okay? You're thinking about it. Nagpaplano ka. You want big money, okay? May bagong opportunity na dumating sa inyo, pinag-iisipan mo kung if that is the best thing to do, tatanggapin mo ba or hindi. Or kung tatanggapin mo, iniisip mo, nagpaplano ka na sa mga next step mo, okay? Maybe this is a new job, a new career na pinag-iisipan mo. You may be moving to other countries, okay? Okay, you need to be firm. You need to plan strategically. For some of you, about sa work, if you want promotion, if you think you deserve it, kumbaga, napakita mo naman, you have proven yourself already, you can talk about it with your boss. Libra. Okay. Stop overthinking. Okay? Just decide. Libra. Stop looking back at the past, yung mga bad decisions na nagawa ninyo before or mga regrets. Keep on moving or move forward. Okay. Sometimes napapangunahan ka ng hindi maganda about sa opportunity na binibigay sa inyo, na sometimes okay naman, walang problema doon, but you are just thinking negatively. Okay? Merong promotion na mangyayari sa inyo, relocation of job. Okay? But you're still spending time thinking about it. You're not making a decision yet. Maybe you are procrastinating. Okay? May mga ino-offer sa iyo na mga magaganda. Nagagandang opportunities, Libra. Okay. Let us see kung ano pa yung mga messages for you, Libra. Messages for Libra. Matalino ka, Libra. May galing ka, skills, very talented. Okay. For some of you, merong gustong bilhin. Okay, pero pinag-iisipan nyo pa. Okay. You don't know yet kung bibilhin mo ba or hindi. Okay, here. Here's one message, Tiger. Doing something risky. Taking a chance, okay? So, take a chance, okay? Decide, Libra. Pag hindi mo sinubukan, paano mo malalaman? Okay? If you will not do it. Cobweb. Protected from negative forces beyond your control. Okay? So, you are protected, Libra. Huwag kang mag-alala. May gumagabay sa inyo from negative forces. Siguro may mga gumagawa or nag-iisip sa inyo na hindi maganda, but you are strong. Hindi ka maano. So many. Libra. Happiness. Okay? Be happy, Libra. Okay? You deserve it. Don't think too much. Ram. A stubborn, aggressive person. Maybe some of you is dealing with a stubborn person. Okay? Or aggressive. Kailangan ng mahabang pasensya sa taong yan. Ladder. Climbing towards success. See? So, you are climbing towards success, Libra. Pero, nag-iisip ka ng hindi maganda. Minsan, wala pang problema, pero iniisip mo na. Coins. Money will be coming to you. See? Big coin. Not only coins, big coin. Okay? Big money will be receiving big money. A big sum of money. Okay? That's good news for you, Libra. Let us see ano pa yung mga mensahe sa inyo. When a door doesn't open, don't waste your energy trying to make it open. It is closed for a reason. You are being redirected to something far, bigger and better. And things are part of the cycle of life. They make way for wonderful new beginnings and opportunities. Okay, so that's the message for you, Libra. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye.